completely safe. Okay.
So what are we making next?
We are gonna make the potato wedges.
So what do we need?
Potatoes.
We need to wash it first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That you will do.
I will do.
I have no clue how to do it.
Okay.
I will be the cameraman.
I am the prep guy.
For most of the things, he will be like
What do we
cooking
use?
if I don't know how to do it. Because the only thing I really know how to cook is the garlic bread.
What is the...
Oh, you want a ball?
Yeah.
Okay, give you a ball. Let's use. We got a ball. I've actually never been
So we
on.
got the potatoes, right?
Yep. No. Nobody wants squashed potatoes. Come on. Okay. This guy should be in a circus now. Oh, that was good actually. So we got the potato.
How many?
6.
It's not sick, it's healthy.
6. By the way, guys, it's my first time being on camera. So we got the potatoes all washed up.
Yeah.
Now we have to peel them.
No peeling.
Huh?
We use the skin.
Okay.
You need a
I never really made potato
good
wedges.
knife.
We could just wash this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So I was going to use this knife, but this one has an attached knife. So let's see how that works. First time using it.
Yeah, because it's first time.
There we
cooking
go.
here.
So this is good for cutting it straight. But for potato wedges, you need to cut it at an angle. All done.
What I thought.
This is the actual wedges.
So what I thought it would look like is like this, but in half, or what
You
he.
even cut it in half like
in
this?
half. Yeah, I thought it was like
Okay.
that.
We can do it if you want.
I
You want
think
some-
we have too much. Leave it.
You mean too much potato?
Yeah.
Oh, this will go in no time
Really?
because it'll taste so good.
Yeah. So should we cut it in half?
You want to?
Should we?
I
It'll
don't
take
know.
longer. Okay, let's just do a few of them in half.
No. If you cut, we cut all of them in
Okay,
half.
then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the cut up pieces as per the
Final.
chef's suggestion. So we have the pan.
We have the
So we have the pan. We are
heat.
putting the potatoes in.
Wait, we have to put salt in too.
Yeah, we're gonna put some water first.
Okay.
Try some.
Water.
The goal is for the potatoes to be cooked with the water that's in it. There should not be any water left over. So we cook about 85 to 90%,
Yes.
and then we will fry it. Normally, this is done in an oven.
But right now we don't
We
have
don't
one.
have an oven, so we improvise. Salt,
Oh yeah. Oh, chili powder?
pepper.
Okay.
Mix it, right?
Yeah, mix. Oh. Stop.
What?
Water's going down.
That's okay. We clean it after.
I don't
Where's the lid for this?
That's guys. It's done. Baking. We skipped this portion because it took a long time, like 15 minutes. Just cook until soft, basically. But it shouldn't melt in your pot. Okay, and then we added some chili powder again on it for more spice. Here is the olive oil.
Yeah, but
We're
before
gonna
that,
pour it.
it was cooked with a little bit of
I told
black pepper.
I told.
And then I also added more peppers. The water is almost gone. So what we need to do is just add
some
oil,
oil.
olive oil,
Yep.
so that it'll fry.
By the way, guys, we were not paid to use any of these ingredients. We're using what we have. Oh, no shaky shake. No shaky shakies. No shaky shakies. That's why I gave you this. At least you know
So
how
it's
to.
almost done, but it's like I said, it was supposed to be done in an oven, so there is no mixing it, and it'll be more intact.
He's gonna fry it now. Fry it. That's the pancake flip type.
Yeah, in a normal case, you can also add a bit more other spices like a little bit of thyme or
Turmeric?
rosemary.
Nah, not turmeric.
That's Italian spices, just a sprinkle.
Yeah,
And a dash of basil.
it's completely safe. Okay.
So, in here it was wet and a little bit mushy. So you want to get a
So
little
you're
bit
putting
fried.
both.
Yeah, so I'm putting it in here so that it'll get a bit crispier.
Yeah, some are crispy, some are soft.
Yeah. No, I'm going to be doing it in here
Oh,
too
okay.
because I don't have enough space. So I'll put half of it.
Makes
so once
sense.
it's dry and crispy, I'm going to move it to
This pot.
and then do the rest of it.
Okay. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Here's the ingredient. And back to the cooking station. It's really a small kitchen, but we can do a lot in it.
But she's a small person. That's all she needs.
I'm not cooking always, okay? I just cook
When you feel like it.
Maggie. I
You
can
cook her?
Yeah,
Does she
no.
cry?
What?
When you cook Maggie, does she cry?
Maggie noodles.
Oh, I thought you actually
Instant
cooked-
noodles.
I thought you actually cooked Maggie. Margaret.
No, nobody would cook a person. Maybe chicken. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's getting crispier.
So basically, we're actually cooking dinner for the family.
Yeah. So this is done,
Yep.
and I'm gonna transfer it here.
Yep. Let's do the rest. Okay. Ah, that's nice.
Yes. Mix it.
Okay. Now the potato wedges. Oh, I can just take my hand. Okay. The potato wedges with the skin. It's pretty great.
It's not like baked, broiled, because we didn't use the oven.
Because we don't
But
have
for
it.
how we made it, it is. Yeah, say it.
10.
Yeah.
It's really good.